Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XAI. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that XAI is moving in a falling broadening wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 2 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that once again, the price line is bound from the support. And by the way, before that, we also broke down this ascending triangle. Then we had this big drop. And this time when the price line was testing the support of this broadening falling wedge pattern, at the same time, stochastic and RSI, both oscillators on the daily time frame chart, were entered the oversold on, and at the same time there was a double bullish divergence was also flashed at the price and formed this low here, and the next low it was forming lower than the previous one. At the same time, stochastic was forming higher low than previous low, and RSI was also forming higher low than previous low, and the price and followed this double bullish divergence signal and bounced very well, and still it is moving very close to the support of this broadening falling wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for RadWorks, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade signal I shared on 1st of July 2024. And you can also want the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of XAI, and this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several days since after 17th of Feb 2024, the price line is moving inside this broadening falling wedge pattern. And you can see that whenever it is getting bounced on the support, it is forming lower highs and lower lows as well. Like here, it once again bounced very well, formed another lower low, lower high, lower low, and this time the price could not break out this resistance zone. And by the way, this resistance zone starts from 40 cents and goes to 44 cents. That was previously breaking a support here, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance zone. We got rejection here, and finally we broke it down, and we also broke down the support of this descending triangle as well. And this time the price line has formed another lower than previous low. At the same time, there was a double bullish divergence signal was also flashed on this daily time frame chart as the price line formed this low here, and the next low is formed lower than the previous one. At the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that it was forming higher low than previous low, slightly higher low than previous low. And RSI was also forming a very, very obvious higher low than previous low. And it was also entered the oversold zone. Therefore, the price line also followed this bullish divergence, a double bullish divergence signal, and did not break down the support, bounced very well, but still it is moving very close to the support of this broadening falling wedge pattern. This time, before reaching the resistance of the broadening falling wedge pattern, we will need to break out this resistance of 27.35 cents that had been previously breaking as support here, and now it can break as a resistance. And then we will need to break out this resistance on from 40 cents to 44 cents, and then pricing can hit the resistance of this broadening falling wedge pattern somewhere here approximately at 57 cents. And over there we have a crisscross of the resistance levels, a quite long-term resistance of this broadening falling wedge pattern, and this quite long-term resistance of 57.45 cents. That is by the way a key resistance that had been previously breaking as a support here, support here, support here, and now it can work as a strong resistance. And if the price breaks out the resistance of this broadening falling wedge pattern, then technical target for this breakout will be here at the highest price when it was entered the broadening falling wedge pattern here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $1.60 to $2. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.